Summer is coming to a close, but that doesn't mean the fun has to end.
No, put off the cooking a little longer and treat yourself to restaurant weeks at Foxwoods Resort Casino.
It's happening September 9th through the 15th. Kara went to check out some of the great eats and deals to take advantage of.
We're here at View 24, and this is one of the entrees for Restaurant Week. Chef, what's this?
We have a roasted chicken breast with blistered tomatoes and charred corn polenta.
Ooh, that looks delicious. All right, I am behind the scenes here. I'm here with Chef Michael Yaffe. We are in his studio, so to speak, where all the magic happens. You're going to show us how you make this dish?
Yes, I am.
All right.
So first off, simple, we're just going to take a little chicken breast. We're going to season it, salt and pepper.
Next, Chef Yaffe sears it with the skin on. Skin side down first, right?
Skin side down, let it crisp up.
While the chicken cooks, he gathers the blistered tomatoes. You want me to throw those in the pan for you?
Please do.
All right.
Perfect.
Yum, they look delicious. So this is exciting with Restaurant Week. People who maybe have never come to View 24 or any of the restaurants, it's a great chance to experiment.
Yes, there's 15 restaurants on property that are participating, so you have all week to try something new, a restaurant that you haven't been to, food that you haven't tried before, so it's all very exciting.
If you've never been to View 24, you might want to check out the amazing views from the elegant dining room. And during Restaurant Week, the room with the view comes with a deal. This special will only cost you $20.19, and there are more places to try. Once again, there are 15 restaurants participating in Foxwoods Restaurant Week, including the very popular Sugar Factory. Maybe you want some mac and cheese pops or a rainbow donut ice cream sandwich. The Stony Creek Brewery will have lobster rolls for $19.19, and the popular Golden Dragon will have black pepper pork chops for $20.19. Back at View 24, Chef Yaffe is putting the finishing touches on his meal deal. Creamy polenta gets topped with tomatoes and a special sauce. He adds the chicken breast, roasted shallots, and fried parsley. Guarantee this is not the way you're making chicken at home, right? So good. And Chef Yaffe has more dishes to wow you with here at View 24 from September 9th through the 15th for Restaurant Week. You could also try at least 2 new restaurants a day if you want. And thank you so much, Chef.
My pleasure.
This is delicious. I'm just going to get back to eating.
Please
okay?
do. Enjoy. Thank you.
Kara's always up for a good meal.
Yes.
Once again, Foxwoods Restaurant Week runs from September 9th through the 15th.
Yeah, for a complete list of all the restaurants participating, go to foxwoods.com.